Guys, my another video for Creta 1.4 base model, and this time I have Creta Automatic 2015 1.6. This Creta is 1.6 top model and this one is the base model 2018. So now let's compare back to back and find out what are the main changes in the car. First of all, the grille, the base model grille looks even better than the top model. So in my 1.4 I don't have the base these things LEDs. In the top model we have, but still it's okay. The projector headlamps we don't have in the 1.4, but in my 1.6 I have projector headlamps, LEDs. In there we don't have, but I have done few modifications. As you can see in my previous video, this chrome finish, the jali, looks very premium. The car is looking very stable, sturdy compared to this one. Let's go to the back side. Yeah. Now see, at the back both the cars look same. The lights have been changed, The red thing is now on the upper side, as you can see over here. Yeah. And on that, some minor design changes are there. So you can see the roof rails have been already, modified and installed in the new base model Creta. That one, you can see the roof rails have been installed aftermarket. In this one, it comes pre-installed. Even the shark fin antenna. So somehow both the cars look comparable, equally good. I feel the roof rails, which are the earlier roof rails, look little premium, little it gives you a SUV feeling. Compared to that, it looks a sporty car. Let's compare about the tires now. This car, 1.6 car, my car, this has been already driven around 45 kilometers, and the condition of the alloys and the tires are still looks like okayish. They're good enough. As you remember, I have not installed any alloys in this 1.4 base model. I have driven it around 3000 kilometers, but still the tires are not in good condition. If you're going to change your tires, so I would not recommend you for Goodyear or Apollo tires. Always go for Bridgestone, either Bridgestone or MRF. If we take a look at the side profile, chrome handles have been already installed, so the side profile remains the same, exactly same. Let's try to go inside and have a look at what all major things have been changed. This is the 1.6 automatic top model Creta. Major difference is this thing, side this armrest. It is not movable in the previous model of Creta. I can only place my hand. It cannot move. We have the pre-installed this thing, Hyundai. This is the original stereo system which came from the Hyundai. As you can see, it looks now small. This is a 7-inch system. It is not an Android. It takes a lot of time to boot. My car is on. Now it has switched on. Still it's not working. Now it is working.
Assurance came during a meeting between Karnataka.
In the 1.4 we have the 8 inches Android for Android system. As you can see, the interiors of 1.6 automatic gear. Rear seats remain the same. Now I'll quickly take you to the 1.4 car. So base model Creta with a 8-inch full Android system, a movable slidable armrest, it's a plus point. I was already looking for it in my previous car. So now let's switch it on. So here it is. It's already on. It took not more than 2 seconds to switch it on. Interiors are almost same now after modifications. This is the manual system. Let's hear both the car's engine. Yeah, I feel it has more sound in it. 1.6 has more sound than the 1.4. The reason being the size of the engine is bigger. See, it's too loud, the sound is too huge. Just hear it out. Okay, now let's go to the 1.4. Yeah, it's new car, so new has a less sound, but still 1.4 system, 1.4 engine is much quieter, much refined. Just hear it out. I hope you have now understood the difference in this engine sound. In my next video, I'll compare both them back to back, running back to back, drivability test. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe and return to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.